Everyone says downtown Vancouver is the dream. But what if the smarter move is only 20 minutes east? Welcome to Burquitlam Park District. Burquitlam is such an accessible area. You have the SkyTrain right there. Boom, SkyTrain right there. You also have all your Korean shopping. You got Hannam right there. And you got Hanin right over there. H-Mart is right there. The bank's right there. You got all these amazing Korean restaurants here. And everything is like right across the street. So very accessible. Yeah, Hannam has everything you need. Grocery, accountants, optometry, everything you need. And of course, you can always be Michael's neighbor if you move here. All right, we're here at the Sales Presentation Center for Burquitlam Park District. One of the new projects here in Burquitlam. Celebrating Chinese New Year. All right, master plan community. You're looking at phase 1, 40-floor tower. See over here? Big selling part of this master plan community is the amenities that they have. They have 20,000 square feet indoor and 20,000 square feet outdoor. You got everything from commercial retail to full gyms. You also have nice greenery outside. They really wanted to make it feel like you had your own personal backyard. There's a daycare right here as well, and they're gonna have some commercial retail, some banks, whatever you pretty much need is right here. At Burquitlam Park District. So right here, Burquitlam Park District. Centrally located, right next to your SkyTrain. Only 8 minutes to Port Moody. Right by Lougheed Town Center, shopping center. Yeah, you're close to parks. You're close to Burnaby Mountain. If you go to SFU, it's just a quick drive up. And of course, you're only, I said 20 minutes. It says 29 minutes, but you can make it 20 minutes. Who's stopping you other than the cops? All right, big selling feature to this project here is the triple guarantee that the developer is offering. So number 1, price protection guarantee. Because they're backed up by RBC, they have a price protection guarantee. So in a few years from now, upon completion, when the appraisers come in, they guarantee that price. As you may or may not know, in today's market, appraisers come after completion and the appraisal value is slightly less, sometimes a lot less. And what happens is you as a buyer are gonna have to come up with a difference. But here at this project, they're guaranteeing your price protection. So that's guarantee number 1. Guarantee number 2 is the price appreciation. So the developers are guaranteeing a 10% appreciation upon completion. So whatever the price is, 10% from that, they're guaranteeing that. And if it's slightly less, they'll cover the difference. Guarantee number 3, if you're an investor, this might be very enticing for you. They're guaranteeing a 2-year rental guarantee. So whatever the rental market value is, they're guaranteeing 2 years of that, and they're covering the management fees as well for that one. However, if you're an end user, they're guaranteeing 6% interest on your deposit per year. So that's better than your average savings account. So this is exciting news. This is bringing back buyer confidence. So you can buy a pre-sale without the risk, right? There's pretty much no risk here. By the way, not to mention, they're 70% sold. So they're digging no matter what. They're in it to win it. It's gonna be completed in 3 years, 2028. So if you need speed, nightlife, and constant stimulation, then probably downtown is best suited for you. However, if you're looking for long-term growth, modern amenities, and room to breathe, Burquitlam deserves a serious look. So, there's a couple of units here in the showroom I'm gonna show you. This one in particular is gonna be Plan B3. So it's a 1 bedroom. I can show you the floor plan right here. So this is Plan B3, 1 bedroom, 508 square feet. This is the floor plan and I'll show you, come on. So first, as soon as you enter, we got our laundry little area. I like it because it's not stacked. So they're both side by side. By the way, you can choose to stack it if you want, but I like it when it's side by side because it gives you some overhead space. You can easily have like a folding little shelf there, or you can just have your linen up here as well. So it's a nice extra storage space. I like to say standard bathroom, but they actually really care about the details. Right over here, I like the nice cabinetry. Is that how you say cabinetry? But if you look there, this is a fun feature I usually don't see in common condos. There's an outlet there. Sure. So for those of you who like to use, a curling iron or your hair dryer, you can keep it plugged in and throw it away nice and neatly. So that's a fun feature of it. But all this cabinetry comes as is. So the backlighting, the finishes, it's all like this. It's nice. I like it. All right. So kitchen, L shape. So it's open concept. So nice open flow. All right, this is your dark color scheme. So I like the backsplash, kind of like an accent wall. You have Bosch appliances, gas stove. I like the way they have it set up. Simple, but functional. Chill, watch the game, watch Netflix. I could see myself passing out here late at night, eating popcorn, hanging out. You know what I'm saying? Just hang out here. Moving on, we got a little patio. So it's a showroom. This is not the actual view, by the way. I'm not looking out in Burnaby. This is just a fake. But south-facing, you could choose south-facing or north-facing, I believe. Because we're on top of the mountain, we're facing down, right? And there's no buildings gonna be built here, so you have unobstructed views. That's priceless. Unobstructed views is priceless. Right? You can't put a price on views. All right, your primary, your only bedroom. Right now has a queen size. Easily have a king size. I mean, you wouldn't have, room for your end tables, but the fact that you could still fit a king size, this room is generously sized. And again, floor to ceiling windows with unobstructed views. Imagine waking up here every morning, rise and shine. It's time to hit the gym. By the way, over here, you have the 2 color schemes that you could choose from. Light, in case you're a simple person. Light, you're a light person. And then you have dark. If you're a little bit more aggressive and edgy, like me, I would pick dark. I like dark. That was what we've seen over there, so the dark, I like that in the kitchen. The floor plan for studio, your studio option. Plan A3. I'm usually not really surprised by studios, but I actually really like this studio. So right as soon as you enter, you got your laundry area, double stack, or again, as you can, in the previous floor plan, you can choose to have it side by side and you have your little closet here. More or less the same with the bathroom finishes. Okay, you got the nice cabinetry, the backlighting. But this. I really like it. It's open concept. You got your 9-foot ceilings. So even though it's a little bit smaller, I believe it's just under 400 square feet. It feels a lot bigger because the ceiling height is 9 feet. So obviously it's staged really nicely. It doesn't come exactly like this, but if you need it done, holla at me. I can make sure this happens, but I really like the setup, how they have it here. Okay, you got the kitchen, again with the Bosch appliances, light color scheme, so you got that matching backsplash. And this is something that you don't see very often, right? It's not cookie cutter. It's curved. You know, it's different. People come over and they're like, oh man, what the hell is this? Wow, I've never seen that. It's curved, bro. Cabinet space, right? Even though it's a studio. Some of the things don't come with, right? It's just a little bit, it's staged, right? But we know the designer. Michael knows the designer, so we'll get you in touch. I don't know him, but if you need, I know a guy. All right, so here we have our bed, single bed. I mean, in a studio, ideally, probably would have a Murphy bed. Boom! Got open space, right? All of a sudden, this is your gym. Dumbbell rack, squat rack, right over there. Anyways, we'll get into that if you need. All right, but this is cool. This is actually a big balcony for a studio, right? You could do morning yoga, you just stare at your neighbors. By the way, you have no neighbors. It's just mountains. You know what I'm saying? These units are facing east or west with the studios, so you can either be sunrise or sunset. Depends on your mood. You could do yoga in the sunset, that's nice. All right, the last thing I'm gonna show you is the difference in the kitchen and the bathroom in our 2-bedroom suites here that we have here. All right, so main difference here is this big island. Everybody likes an island, but if you're hosting, you have a bigger family, you kind of need this. So you got this nice big island with big sink here, deep sink. And then you got some charcuterie. You can easily serve some charcuterie board. That's fake. It's not real. Pissed me off really. I tried to get the strawberry. Anyways, Bosch appliances. And again, wow. Come on, man, why you do me like that? It's not straight. It's good. All right. More or less the same, we got storage, lots of storage, very thought out floor plans, right? You got your bathroom, stand-up shower. That's good stuff, man. 70% sold, people already bought. What are you waiting for? So take advantage of the huge incentives that they have here at this project. If you want to know more or want to book a private tour, contact me today. And as always, like and subscribe for more tours like this. I'll see you next time. Everyone says downtown Vancouver is the dream. But what if the smarter move is only 20 minutes east? Welcome to Burquitlam Park District. Everyone says downtown Vancouver is the dream. But what if the smarter move is only 20 minutes east? Welcome to Burquitlam Park District. Everyone says downtown Vancouver is the dream. But what if the smarter move is only 20 minutes east? Welcome to Burquitlam Park Residences.
boo. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. Don't include that in the shot.
So take advantage of the huge advantage.